Right, let's get MasterChefing. MasterChef, MasterChef, MasterChef. Dun dun dun. It's crashed. Oh no. That's the sound we like. Raise your game. MasterChef loading. 0%. That's quite good. Oh. Hello, I'm Michael, a judge from the prestigious MasterChef series. Not a clue who he is, by the way. I do not watch MasterChef and can't really cook that great. So hopefully MasterChef will teach me how to cook today and we can follow along. Today we're searching for our next culinary champion. I'm here. Sorry, Michael is just getting carried away. Right now, we're still in the casting process. No idea if Florence is. By the way, I'm Florence. I'm very pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We're touring cities at the moment looking for potential champions. You found him. My name's Diego. Nice to meet you. Oh, the game's killing me already, I have to say. We'd like you to prepare us something simple to start with. You'll have to dazzle us with your culinary skills. I'm sure you can do it. Oh, yawn. The kitchen is all yours. We'll see you in a little while. Right, so I'm guessing I've got to cook something. Kind of get the premise of the show. Receive more stars than the other players. We can totally do this. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. Right, what have I got to do? Oh, let's get started. So you want me to drag this... What is that? Pizza dough? Okay. Pop some tomatoes on it. And some cheese. And some lettuce. Beautiful! Oh, now I actually have to cook it. That's not it. Right, okay, cook. Margherita pizza, right. I've got to chop it, I've got to roll it, I've got to... Gotta spoon it. Gotta... What is that? Gotta... Sprinkle on it. And gotta... Cook it. Okay, right, let's get started then. Let's go with it. Let's get started. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is the tomato, I think. Right, let's chop it. Good. Incredible. Good. My chopping's a bit wonky, just like real life. Oh. Is this the onion now? Next step, roll out the pizza dough. Oh. Oh, I've got to keep on rolling. Oh, and now roll it back. Oh, look at how expert that rolling was. Let's spread the sauce on. Spread the sauce on. Oops. Looks alright to me. Oh. This pizza's looking great already. Right, let's... Incredible. Basil. Let's do a circle of basil. Yeah. Go on. Boom. Oh, beautiful. Apologies for the lack of onions. What? Bring... Oh, open the cooker. I was going to put... I was going to put it on the hob. Oh, right, okay. Right, let's pop the pizza in. Tap the button when your dish is cooked. Dun 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 dun. Stop! Incredible! Of course it is. Right, open the oven. Take the pizza out. Finished. What do you think, Florence and Diego and the other dude? Ooh! That doesn't look great, I'll be honest. Hello, let's see your margherita pizza. This is simple, classic comfort food, perfect for us. You really know how to use an oven? Yeah. Words that nobody has ever spoken to me in life, ever. That was delicious. We'd like you to take part in the next challenge. Hey, I'm through to the judges' houses. And once again, congratulations! The show will start soon, but before it does, Florence, Michael and I have a gift for you. Ah! Hurry up, open it. Where? Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, a new outfit. Oh, a chef's outfit. Just what I've always wanted. Now that you've been selected to participate, we need to know more about you so we can present you to the audience. Don't worry, you can always change it again later. Oh, here I am. I mean, that looks pretty cool. We'll go with that. Yeah, why not? That's my chef persona. Thank you very much. I've taken note of what you told me. Your photo is superb. It's time to prepare for the next challenge. Oh, okay. Palaya. Hello, everyone. Oh, these talky bits do get a bit boring. Welcome to the first MasterChef challenge. This official selection round is being filmed. Wave to the camera. Hi. You are all competing against each other in this challenge to try and win a MasterChef apron. Already got mine, haven't I? Or got something. The apron will allow you to take part in the next stage of the show. Today's challenge is the famous mystery box. We will be judging your ability to adapt and work outside your comfort zone. A good cook... Oh. A good cook knows how to prepare specialties from all around the globe. Good luck. May the best chef win. I think that's their catchphrase. Right. Oh, hello. Receive more stars than the other players. You, first place. Oh, right. What are we going to do? Well, I think we're going to need some salmon. We're going to need some rice. We're going to need some what? Some nori seaweed? Yeah, why not? And some avocado. And I'm going to make royal sushi rolls. Of course I am. What else would you make? Oh, let's get started. Oh, I've got to shave the avocado. Oh, peel it. Oops. Oh. Got ya. Wasn't too bad, was it? Right, now chop the salmon. Oh, it wasn't too bad. Let's chop the pear. Can't remember what this is. And chop some more salmon, but chop it the other way. Yeah. Next step. Oh, yeah. Put the glue around the edge. Oh, I'm supposed to put it in the middle. Oh, oops. What was I supposed to do? Slice of avocado. Oh, yeah. Plonk that. Oh, that's where. Plonk that there. Incredible. Incredible. Dropping things on is one of the hardest things, I think. Yep, get a bit of salmon in there, considering I dropped the avocado on the floor. Well, at least we've not skimped on the salmon. Next step, let's roll it. Oh. Roll it and then unroll it. Oh, because that roly thing helps wrap it up. You don't eat that. That's wood. Yeah. Chop up whatever this is. Oh, this is what I've just made. Look at that. It's beautiful. Ah, one. Nearly. Right. Let's place it on like this. Yeah. Sliced ginger, of course. Let's pop it on like that. Oh, dabs of wasabi, of course. Let's put the wasabi up the top. Oh, that looks beautiful if I do say so myself. Look at all those stars. Boom! Look at that. You're one of the first people to finish. That's great, you're fast. Sushi rolls are a classic Japanese... Oh, these words go to that. Such meticulous slicing, I love it, thank you. My slicing is world renowned. Anyway, your cooking shows great promise. We'd like to take you to take part in the show. I'm not even on the show yet. Dee. Oh, look at that. Way out ahead. Way out ahead. Good evening. I have a little surprise for you. Could you open the box, please? Sure. It's not... Oh, there's a card. Oh, a new apron! I've got an apron! Does that mean I've won? Or I'm on the show? I don't know. What are the MasterChef rules? Some aficionado. Get in the comments and let me know, please. It is my great pleasure to announce that you will be competing in the world's greatest culinary competition. The MasterChef apron that I give you today makes it official. Go on, put it on quickly. Oh, if you insist. Oh, how do I put it on? Oh, clothes. Outfits. Grab that apron. Look at that. Yeah, I'm sure. Ah, it looks fantastic. Is it time for you to... Oh, it's time for your first match. Hurry up. Right, let's go with that. Hello, everybody, and welcome. And congratulations for earning your apron. Today is your first open match. That's right, this time you'll have free access to the pantry. Oh. Now I'm worried. We'll give you our request, but feel free to ignore them if you wish. Think hard and try to find a dish that will fill all of our requirements. You can be as creative as you want. That's good. Is creative another word for not sure what you're doing? Receive more stars than the other players. We can do this. The judges' requests. Something hot, no oven. What are these requests? Something hot, no oven. No oven? Well, I don't have any pumpkins. Where's my pumpkin? Is that a pumpkin? No, that's pizza dough. Well, let's have tomatoes. They want tomatoes. I don't have any of these things that they want. Well, let's throw some basil in there, because basil's greater than anything, right? Oh. No recipes for that. Well, let's throw some cheese on. Pizza? Yeah, let's cook a margherita pizza again. Oh, I don't want to. Can I cook something more interesting? Let's have some pasta then. Let's throw some tomatoes in there. And some beef. Let's do spaghetti bolognese. Go on, let's get started. Tomatoes. We're going to peel the tomatoes. Of course we are. This is just incredible. Oops, we missed a bit. Let's peel the carrot. Is this a carrot? What is this? Carrot. Bit of peel never hurt anybody being left on, did it? Next step. Alright, let's chop the tomato. Look at that. Chop the carrot. And what else? Next step. Let's... What are we doing? Oh. Oh, I get it now. We're supposed to move in time. It's like dancing, but cooking. Oh. I think that went okay. Yeah, let's boil it all. Oh. What am I doing here? I'm like cooling it, boiling it. This isn't how you really cook. Oops. Looks lovely. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to eat that? Incredible. Of course it is. Meatball. Oh yeah, meatballs. What's that on there? Is that spaghetti bolognese? Not sure I've ever made a spaghetti bolognese that looks like that, but we'll go with it. Hey, we're finished. What can we do here? Ta-da! Oh well, it was a bit slow.
Wow.
Your dish is magnificent. Some areas are burnt. Was your pan too hot? Oh. Was alright. It's probably our worst effort so far. This is what happens when you let me loose in the kitchen. Oh, still first though. Yay! Look at that. Somebody else tried to do spaghetti bolognese. Oh, someone else did pizza. Pizza, spaghetti bolognese. I still won though. Yeah! Hello. I would like to congratulate you on completing all of the challenges so far. You have passed with flying colours and demonstrated your speed, technical skill and creativity. 3 important qualities of a future MasterChef. I have to admit that I agree with Michael's opinion this time. Keep going, keep training and trying out new recipes. The better you get, the faster you will move ahead in the different episodes. And with each new episode, the pantry will grow and you will unlock new recipes.
Wow.
We're excited to see what you can do next in this adventure. We hope you're enjoying it as much as we are. Let's cook! Oh, earn your MasterChef apron. I can see you're starting to pile up trophies. If you collect more, you can move up to a higher league. Yeah. Oh, that's good. A lot on your plate. And then there's clearly more to go to. Unlock episode. Ooh, what's in here? An egg! I've unlocked eggs. I love eggs. Oh, pie dough! It looks like the pizza dough, though. It's exactly the same. Chocolate. Yes. Eat that. Caramel! Chocolate and caramel. Vanilla! Wow, those are some good ingredients, but the pie dough definitely looks like the pizza base. It's the same thing. How can I tell the difference between them? A MasterChef cannot work in these conditions. Right, cool. So that is MasterChef, the game. No, MasterChef Let's Cook. I've just proven you can even cook if you don't know what you're doing. So, if you've liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos. And we will see you back here shortly. Take care. Bye.